Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm here to share with you some of the websites that I shopped at. We spent a lot of money when we first moved here in terms of home furnishing and home decor items, and I gave myself 3 months to furnish the entire apartment. I really was doing a lot of planning when it comes to the space, how we want to decorate, how we want to function within that space. Let's get right into the first one, which is Amazon AE. If you are looking to buy a lot of stuff from Amazon, I really recommend for you to subscribe to the Amazon Prime, because with Amazon Prime you could get very fast delivery, most of the time the next day, but I did order one book in the morning and received it in the evening of the same day, which is very crucial when you want to start furnishing your house from scratch. You want everything to be in place and you don't want to have to keep waiting for another stuff until you can decide to buy this stuff. So it really was one of the best places that you can get stuff from, especially when it comes to drawer organization and stuff. I did get those from Amazon. The subscription is 16 dirham per month. Let's say if you are planning to get your furnishing done within 3 months, maybe you can unsubscribe after that. Now the next place is something that I shopped at even before I moved here, because my husband was here first and it was his birthday. So I asked him, do you want practical birthday presents? I have already done my research and I've come across this Noon website. At Noon you can also find a lot of things, smaller appliances. A lot of them I bought from Noon. Iron, air fryer, my fan, my kettles, rice cooker and stuff, because they have their own brand of stuff and a lot of them comes in the shade that I really like, which is white. So far all appliances that I bought have been working really well, and sometimes they do have bulk saving type of deal. For example, when I bought my aesthetic jar with the bamboo lid, it comes in a set of maybe 12 and it ended up saving me a lot of money as opposed to me buying each one of them. The next place is Homecentre. I discovered Homecentre when I was looking to buy my full-length mirror, because I'm looking for a standing mirror. Came across this one that has light wood type of material. At the same time, I came across this very beautiful nightstand that I have on my husband's side, and at first I was looking to buy two of the same one, but looking at the placement of our furniture, this side is taller than the other side. Maybe I only need one so that it's balanced between left and right side of our bed. It's the thing about Homecentre. When you saw something, you really have to get it fast, because they have some very unique items that might not be restocked once it runs out. Now the next place that we shopped at was Homebox. They have a lot of cheap linens and kitchen towels, art, some of which I bought for the entryway. We also bought our rug from Homebox as well. It really helps when you are first moving into place, if you want to look at stuff in person, because my husband bought their cleaning supplies, the broom, the mop and stuff there. You can really get a matching set for everything at Homebox. Second to last recommendation for me is Home for Less. Again, at Ibn Battuta Mall, they have a big Home for Less shop, but they do have Home for Less online as well. It is parked under the Brand for Less website. You just have to click the shop by store and you'll see the Home for Less under it. We went there more for home decor stuff. Once we have all the essential stuff and we're ready to get into the next phase, which is decorating, they have a lot of stuff from very big brand that's usually going to cost you a lot of money, but they sold it at a significantly lower price at Home for Less. What Home for Less does is sometimes sell display items from the original brand store, some of the overstock items or out of season item. They get brought into one place and you can shop cheap but beautiful stuff there. And the last place is of course Ikea, where we shop most of our furnitures at. We also shop from my desk, our sofa. For the sofa that we bought, there was this one day that I went to Ikea Malaysia website trying to look for this particular sofa and it was not there. So I'm guessing that maybe some items here are exclusive to certain region. They don't have this one specifically, and I think it's called the Gamal bin. If that's the case, then that's another tip to explore a different variation of stuff from the same brand. They deliver pretty quickly here. It is advised that you register for the Ikea family so that you could get some discount on their delivery, both when you buy in store and as well as when you buy online. Those are some of the websites that have been very helpful for us when we were furnishing this apartment, mainly due to the fact that we don't have any vehicle for us to transport stuff when we buy furniture and bigger items and stuff. Even if you are planning to get a car, these are the places that you can go to while you are trying to figure that stuff out. And I hope this video somehow helps you in terms of sorting your home furnishing, home decor out. I would love if you would subscribe to my channel and help me grow this channel so that one day we could reach 1,000 subscribers. Turn that notification bell on so that you get notified every time I post, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!